Hello, Year 3. In this block of work, we will be learning about the properties of shape. You will learn about turns. You will learn what a right angle is. You will understand and draw parallel and perpendicular lines. You will identify and draw vertical and horizontal lines. You will recognize and describe right angles and parallel and perpendicular lines in 2D shapes. We will also recognize, describe, and construct 3D shapes. Let's learn our key vocabulary. Corner, corner, corner. This is the point where two lines or edges meet. Curved, curved, curved. A line which is not straight. Edge, edge, edge. The line which joins two faces together on a 3D shape. Face, face, face. The flat surface on a shape. Line of symmetry, line of symmetry, line of symmetry. This is the imaginary line where if you folded the image, both halves match exactly. Parallel, parallel, parallel. Lines are parallel if they are always the same distance apart and will never meet. Perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular. When two lines meet and it causes a right angle. Polygon, polygon, polygon. A two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Right angle, right angle, right angle. When two lines meet at an angle of 90 degrees, the symbol is a box. Side, side, side. Where two lines join in a 2D shape. 3D shapes, 3D shapes, 3D shapes are shapes that you can pick up. They have dimensions of height, width, and depth. 2D shapes, 2D shapes, 2D shapes. Shapes that are on a flat surface. They only have length and width. Vertex, vertex, vertex. The point where two lines or edges meet. The plural is vertices. Vertical, vertical, vertical. A line which runs up and down the page. 2D shapes. These are shapes you should know from year 2. Circle, triangle, square, oblong, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Quadrilaterals are shapes which have 4 sides, such as a square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, parallelogram, or a trapezium. 3D shapes. A three-dimensional shape is a solid object. Here are some. Triangular prism, cylinder, sphere, cube, cone, square-based pyramid, cuboid. It would be really useful if you paused the video and jotted down the properties of the 2D and 3D shapes to help you with your learning in school. Horizontal and vertical. We will look at different shapes and explore whether they have horizontal or vertical lines of symmetry. Can you investigate shapes? Can you add any shapes with lines of symmetry to the table below? Parallel lines are never meet and are always the same distance away. You use arrows to show which lines are parallel. Perpendicular lines, when two lines meet to make a right angle. Angles. An angle is a description of a turn. We can make turns in right angles. You can turn either clockwise or anti-clockwise. A right angle is a 90-degree angle. A right angle is a right angle turn. A half turn is 2 right angle turns. A 3/4 turn is 3 right angles, and a full turn is 4 right angles. In school, you will use a right angle tester and will investigate where you can see right angles in the classroom or in 2D shapes. Angles which are smaller than 90 degrees are called acute. Angles which are greater than 90 degrees are called obtuse.